Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. In today's video, I'm going to finish up my lattice on my shed, and I'll probably start working on getting some mulch put in around the edges as well. And they'll probably mix in a few other little daily duty type activities. So let's go ahead and get into the clip. Enjoy the video, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and put in your questions in the comment section. Enjoy the video. Bit ticked off at myself because I just cut this piece wrong. It's the correct size, but I have it placed wrong on the lattice, or it won't line up at the edges. So I'm gonna have to go recut that piece. Luckily I have extra, but it's still extremely frustrating. I'm keeping it G-rated right now. Okay, so I'm gonna recut this piece, remark it, recut it in the correct orientation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and include my mistake in the video. So enjoy. I was able to reuse this piece that I screwed up on, and I'm going to cut it in the correct spot this time. I'm going to cut this top section that stays level. It's kind of a straight line in the middle of all these, and then I've got to measure down. It's freaking close enough, yeah. I need to measure down 11.5 from that point. And then 11 down here. Somewhere around in there. And then I'm gonna end up notching this out for that little cement block down there. So let's see here. I'm gonna time lapse the video. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section, and check out my other content to see what we're doing. So I think I know why I haven't been filming this project as much intuitively, because it's freaking about to make me pull my hair out. I cannot. I'm trying to line up all the edges around these corners to where it looks like, essentially looks like one piece. And I keep just screwing up this last little section. I don't know if it's because I'm getting in a hurry or what, but that piece I thought I could reuse, I probably could have reused it if I had oriented it correctly and then done my measurements. But I already cut it halfway and realized what the heck I was doing. And again, G-rated, I'm keeping it G-rated for YouTube. But I'm gonna get into this new piece and just cut it correctly and stop trying to save this sheet. Can't do that at this point anyway, so enjoy the clip of this next piece. Hopefully the rest of it goes smoothly. Moment of truth. I have not. This is the first time I'm checking the fit. It might not be perfect. I'm just hoping that it's close. And I'll keep G-rated since I'm on video mode. Let's go ahead and get this. Hold it like this. Pretty dang close. I'm gonna have to go down a little bit. Got it. Need to go down over here too. Try to square this end up. It'd be better if I just dug out. There's like some metal pieces here. They're stopping me. Okay. Go down a little bit more. I'm gonna go get my shovel. I'm gonna time lapse the rest. All right, everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. But I did want to end with an explanation for why I left the gap here. So I want my cats to be able to get under here in case mice and rats decide to make haven under here. So that way I can keep that population under control and give the cats a good time. So I'm gonna do the other side of the ramp. My battery's about to die, but it's basically the same thing. So if you enjoyed me finishing up my shed lattice and you want to see more stuff like this out here and you want to learn something, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment section. Check out my other content. Appreciate y'all.